Autumn fashion is all about layering cozy fabrics and warm tones that captures the essence of the season. As the weather cools, your wardrobe can transition into stylish yet comfortable outfits, perfect for crisp days and chilly evenings. Here are some trendy autumn outfit ideas to help you look chic and feel comfortable during the fall season. One of the quintessential fall outfits is a chunky knit sweater paired with jeans. This look is perfect for casual outings or a relaxed weekend. Opt for an oversized chunky sweater in neutral tones like beige, cream, or mustard yellow. Pair it with high waisted skinny jeans or mom jeans for a relaxed yet stylish vibe. Complete the look with ankle boots and a wide brimmed hat for a fall ready outfit. Turtlenecks are a fall wardrobe essential that can be dressed up or down. Pairing a turtleneck with a skirt adds a feminine touch while keeping you warm. Choose a fitted or ribbed turtleneck in a solid color and pair it with a plaid or tweed mini or midi skirt. Add tights or knee-high socks and finish with heel ankle boots. A long coat or trench coat can be layered on top for a polished look. Plaid blazers are a fall staple that instantly elevate any outfit. Pairing them with high-waisted trousers create a chic office-ready look that's also perfect for brunch or a day out. Opt for a plaid or checkered blazer in shades of brown, grey, or olive green. Pair it with high-waisted wide-leg trousers or cigarette pants in a neutral tone. Add a simple white tee or turtleneck underneath and finish with loafers or ankle boots for a smart, casual look. Combining edgy and feminine elements, a leather jacket layered over a maxi dress is a great transitional look for autumn. Choose a floral or patterned maxi dress in warm fall colors like burnt orange, burgundy, or deep green. Layer a black or brown leather jacket over it to add some edge to the outfit. Finish with combat boots or heeled ankle boots for a perfect mix of soft and tough. Corduroy is a classic fall fabric, adding texture and warmth to your outfit. Pair corduroy pants with a button-down shirt for a simple yet chic look. Choose corduroy pants in autumnal colors like rust, olive, or mustard. Pair with a crisp white or chambray button-down shirt tucked in for extra warmth. Layer with a cardigan or light jacket. Complete the look with loafers or ankle boots. When you are looking for something cozy yet stylish, an oversized knit cardigan paired with leggings is a go-to fall outfit. Choose a chunky knit cardigan in a neutral or pastel tone and layer it over a basic tee or tank top. Pair with black leggings or fox leather leggings for a comfy yet chic look. Finish with knee-high boots or sneakers for an effortless autumn vibe. Thank you for tuning into Luna Fashion and Beauty. We hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more fashion and beauty tips. Bye for now.